Hey everybody, so I thought I would show you everything I got from those 3 chickens I did. I got 7 jars of stock. I've got 6 quarts and 1 pint. I got a jar of thighs, a jar of legs, and there's 6 in each of those jars. I got 3 pints of chicken breast, and there's 2 breasts in each of those jars. I got a big bowl of chicken salad, and that's from taking the meat off the bone after it was cooked in the broth, and then I put the bones back in the broth and let them continue cooking. I've got a bowl of cracklins for doggy treats, and if you wanted to eat those, if you don't have dogs, you definitely need to season them when you take them out of the schmaltz. I got 3/4 of a pint of the schmaltz. I have a half a pint, and then that right there. And I would have had more, but I think I threw the skin from the breast away when I was filming. I don't know. And then I have 6 whole wings or 12 wing sections, so that's another 3 meals, 2 to 3 meals. We usually eat 2 wings a piece, so, or you would have 4 sections per meal, so that would be 2 dinners and a lunch right there. And these are already frozen. I put them in the freezer as soon as I cut them off. So I mean, that's not bad. You saw those chickens, they were relatively small, and I utilized every single bit of those birds. So yeah, I just thought I'd share so you could see everything we got out of 3 small chickens. And yeah, if you haven't been here before, or you're new to the channel or passing by, please like, comment, subscribe. It'll really help me out. We do all kinds of random things over here. And let me know what you do with your meats to stretch them as far as you possibly can. I don't know that I could have done much more with this other than bone meal, and those bones were so small I just didn't want to mess with that, but we'll do that in a future video. So anyways, this is what I got. Not shabby. Stock in that pantry, stock in that freezer, and I'm going to have myself a chicken salad sandwich. So I will see you all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and go to the store before March 1st. Take care.